ito lang yung insurance policy mo na ikaw yung unang-unang beneficiary because kapag nagkasakit ka, gamit mo na kaagad siya. You don't have to die to benefit from this policy. Gusto natin pag nagkasakit ka, kumita ka pa, not the other way around. Gusto mo bang maging katropa si Piolo Pascual? This is the best plan in the market. Kasi alam mo, sa Philippines, almost 90% of death are preceded by critical illness. And the big percentage of that, namamatay nang hindi nakakakuha ng treatment. Kasi walang pera, walang pampagamot. May kakilala ka ba o kaibigan or friend of your friend na nag-GoFundMe or nagre-raise ng funds pang-patreatment ng family member or siya personally? This is Sunfit and Well. Kinover niya na lahat. Kaya this is the best in the market. This is the policy that whatever happens to you, meron at meron kang pera. You live long, meron kang guaranteed cash value, dividends, and endowment as well. You get sick, you get 114 critical illness coverage till 100 years old. You die soon, may life insurance ka. Sun Life will pay.
So, anong gagawin natin dito?
Magtatabi lang tayo ng certain amount para kung may mangyari sa'yo, your family will get 1 million or you will get 1 million. Ito yung mga coverage mo. If you got diagnosed with major critical illness, you get 1 million one time. And if you got diagnosed with minor critical illness, you can claim up to 3 times. So nakita natin, dito sa plan mo, 4 times ka makaka-claim. Basta yung 3 claims mo na minor, mauuna siya sa major. And also, yung 3 claims mo must come from different groups. For example, yung minor claim mo na una ay heart-related. Dapat yung next minor claim mo, hindi na heart-related. It must come from another groups like cancer, lung, kidney, or stroke, etc. Yung first and second claim mo, 20% of 1 million coverage or 200,000. Then yung third claim mo is 10%. Except from angioplasty, even if it's your first claim, it's always 10% of your 1 million coverage, which is 100,000 in this case. Basta ma-diagnose ka ng critical illness, makaka-claim na tayo. We don't care if nasa hospital ka na or not, kasi diagnosis ang hinahanap dito, hindi confinement. So, submit lang tayo ng diagnosis, kahit nandun ka na sa hospital, iabot sa'yo yung cheque or ihahabol sa bank account mo. Kahit saan, pwede kang magpagamot kasi we don't require an accredited hospital because the check is issued to your name. Majority of the Filipinos died of cancer. Ito talaga kinover namin. 150% pag na-diagnose ka ng cancer, yan yung specific cancer booster. If you got diagnosed of one of these female cancers, lung, liver, colon, rectum, stomach, pancreatic, breast, cervix, ovarian cancer, you get 1.5 million pesos. And syempre, during the time na nagpapagaling ka, hindi ka na makapag-work at naubos na yung leave mo, so no work, no pay na. Don't worry, meron pa itong income replacement or hospital income benefit na 1,250 per day, which means if 1 month ka sa hospital, meron kang sahod from Sun Life na 37,500 pesos per month. That's up to max of 90 days. Now, para sa mga 50,000 per month below ang sahod, na-replace na yung sahod niya, di ba? Pero if habol mo yung mas mataas na sahod, if you get 2 million coverage, 75,000 per month ang sahod mo was na hospital ka. Kaya 2 million ang coverage ko kasi habol ko yun if ever. At paglabas mo ng hospital, automatic you get 5,000. Yan yung post-hospitalization benefit. And half of what you get from hospital income benefit as home recovery benefit ang makukuha mo pa. Ayaw mo ba yun? On top of your coverage, meron ka pang extra, di ba? And you also have palliative care benefit. It's also on top of your 1 million coverage. If you diagnose with critical illness that makes you only have less than 6 months to live, you get 10% of 1 million coverage. That's 100,000. So, pwedeng pampalibing or what? Pero kunwari, na-survive mo yung taning ng doktor. Kasi malay mo, nagkamali si Doc. Binigay na ni Sun Life. O kaya sabi ni Lord, sige na nga, extend pa buhay mo. At least, di ba, may extra kang 100,000 pa. Hindi na namin babawiin sa yun. But wait, there's more. Kahit hindi ka magkasakit, mapapakinabangan mo pa rin. On the last day of payment, meron ka pang bonus. So, 10-year pay siya. After 10 years, bibigyan ka pa ni Sun Life. So, para ka nang naka-discount nun. Also, starting on the 11th year, nag-earn ka na ng dividends. It's up to you if you want to cash it out or leave it in your policy to accumulate. Kasi ang accumulation rate namin ngayon is 4.2%. Better than the bank rate na less than 1%. So, lalaki yung pera mo ng 4.2 accumulation rate pag hindi mo kinukuha. It can add up to your policy. And pagdating mo ng age 65, you will get 50,000 every year for the next 8 years. So, bahala ka na kung saan mo gagamitin yun, no? Yun yung endowment mo. Na-advance mo na yun. Nababawas yun sa policy mo. Kahit hindi ka pa nagkakasakit, pwede mong gamitin yan. Or kunwari, kinailangan ng family member mo ng pampagamot, hindi mo matanggihan, pwede mong kurutan yung cash value mo. Means, pwede mong utangan yung policy mo. Pero make sure na ibabalik mo kasi magkaka-interest yan. At nababawas siya sa coverage mo. So, ang ganda ng plan, di ba? Nagtabi ka lang ng 58,000 every year. Kung na-diagnose ka pa lang on the 3rd year, meron ka agad 1 million. Saan ka nakakita ng ganito, no? May multiplier effect. Pag ilalagay mo sa bangko yan, 58,000 every year. Pag nagkasakit ka on the 3rd year, hindi pa yan 1 million. Now, lagi nating isipin anong mas mahal. Yung magkasakit ng malubha ngayon, nang walang 1 million, or maglabas ka ng 58,000 ngayon para magkasakit ka man after 3 months, 6 months, or 1 year, may 1 million ka kaagad. Gusto natin, pag nagkasakit ka, kumita ka pa. Not the other way around. Hindi lang naman financially ang problema mo kapag nagkasakit ka or may nagkasakit sa family mo. Kasama mo na dun yung emotional stress, psychological stress. So, bawasan na natin ng isa. Alisin na natin yung financial. Lagyan na natin ng buffer ngayon. That's 1 million coverage sample for 29 years old female na smoker. If 10 years to pay, 58,280. Meron pa itong mas mababa or mas mataas na coverage, depends sa age. We can cover from age 0 to 60 years old. Just send me your birthday to get a free quote. Follow for more Sun Life plan na gusto mo pang malaman. Share mo na rin itong video na to para sa mga friends and relatives mo. Para naman may kapupuntahan ng perang pinaghirapan nila.